Assalamu alaikum and good day, learners. This video is a summary of your Science 9 third quarter Module 1 lessons in a mind map form called Mind Mapping Video Assisted Instruction. And now, our topic is about volcanoes. The Philippines is located along the Ring of Fire. As a result, it is a home to many volcanoes. The most famous among our volcanoes is the Mayon volcano. That has erupted last May 7, 2013. According to the PhilVolcs, or the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, our country is an ideal site for any volcanic activity. Therefore, it is important for us to know how this natural phenomenon happens to reduce the risk and effects it may cause. So, what is volcano? It is described as a cone-shaped mountain or a hill formed by eruption of lava and ash. It is also described as the openings or vents where lava, tephra or small rocks, and steam erupt on the Earth's surface. It also has external parts. First is a summit or an opening, which may either be a crater, which is a funnel-shaped opening at the top of a volcano. It can have one crater, like Mayon volcano, or more than one, like the Al volcano that has 47 craters. Or a summit can be a caldera, which is formed when a part of the wall collapses following an explosive eruption. And the other external parts are the slope and the base. Again, the external parts of the volcano are the summit, slope, and the base. There are several ways by which volcanoes can be classified. It can be according to activity or record of eruption. We have active volcanoes. Are those that erupt regularly, or those that erupted within the last 10,000 years based on analysis of their materials. Next, inactive or dormant volcanoes are those sleeping volcanoes but could awaken in the future. There are those that have not erupted for the last 10,000 years, considered when eruptions have been historically many years apart and could erupt again. And lastly, extinct volcanoes are those dead volcanoes. They are those that have not erupted in recorded historical times. Scientists consider them to be unlikely to erupt again because there is no longer a lava supply. Another way to classify volcanoes is according to the shape of their cones. We have shield volcanoes, are formed by accumulation of lava that oozes out from the volcano. Since non-viscous lava can flow freely, a broad, slightly dome-shaped that resembles a warrior shield is formed. An example of this is the Mauna Loa in Hawaii. Cinder cones, on the other hand, are built from ejected lava fragments. They have steep slope, wide crater, and are the most abundant of the three major volcano types. One example of this type is the Paricutin in Mexico. And lastly, we have composite cones, also called stratovolcanoes, are large, nearly perfect sloped structure. They are known as the most violent volcanoes. One perfect example of this is our main volcano. Let's now talk about volcanic eruption. What triggers an eruption? moving tectonic plates can cause earthquakes, which then create fissures. These are weakness or small tears in the Earth's crust. When fissures appear, the magma beneath the surface has an opportunity to escape. How do volcanoes erupt? The process starts with the magma. The magma inside the volcano has high temperature. As the magma is continuously heated, it goes up. As it rises, gas bubbles are developed. The gas bubbles are trapped and expand, causing the molten materials to swell. Resulting in a gradual increase in pressure within the volcano. When the pressure exceeds the strength of the overlying rock, fracturing occurs. The resulting breaks lead to a further drop in confining pressure, which in turn causes even more gas bubbles to form. Then, the lava may appear to be the primary material ejected from a volcano. But this is not always the case. Aside from lava, broken rocks, lava bombs, fine ash, and dust are also ejected. What determines the nature of eruption? Viscosity. Viscosity is the property of the material's resistance to flow. It is also described as the liquid's thickness and stickiness. The following factors can affect the magma's viscosity in different ways. First, the viscosity of magma decreases with temperature. So, the lower the temperature, the higher is its viscosity. Next is magmas with high chemical content of silica are more viscous than those with low silica content. And lastly, gas, mainly water vapor, dissolves in magma tends to increase its ability to flow. Therefore, in near-surface environments, the loss of gases makes magma more viscous, forming a dome. Types of volcanic eruptions. Number 1, phreatic or hydrothermal. It is a short-lived, characterized by ash columns, but may be a sign of a larger eruption. It is also a steam-driven eruption as the hot rocks come in contact with water. Number 2, phreatomagmatic. It is a violent eruption due to the contact between water and magma. As a result, a very fine ash large column with sideway emission of pyroclastics are observed. Number 3, Strombolian. It is a type of volcanic eruption which has a periodic weak to violent eruption and characterized by fountain lava. Number 4, Volcanian. It is characterized by tall eruption columns that reach up to 20 km high, with pyroclastic flow and ashfall tephra. Number 5, Plinian. It is excessively explosive type of eruption of gas and pyroclastic. Volcanoes are the main source of geothermal energy. This energy is generated in two ways. First is the geothermal power plants. From the deep inside of the earth, the heat is used to produce steam, then to generate electricity. On the other hand, the geothermal heat pumps uses the heat coming from close to the Earth's surface. To heat water or provide heat for buildings. Volcanic eruptions affect society. volcanic eruption is often associated with negative effects. It can cause loss of lives, such as death. Death of plants, death of animals, and death of humans. There are also health risks. And some property destructions. Volcanoes also affect people positively. Examples are geothermal power plants to produce electricity. Another is the eruption of Misuan volcano that produced fertile farm years after its eruption. Likewise, the created specular scenery of Pinatubo volcano eruption. And lastly, the decrease in Earth's surface temperature of Pinatubo in 1991. Thank you for watching. مع السلامة.